our Florida holiday and we are off today. Can you guess where we are off today? That's it, we're off to Hollywood Studios. We're going to do Star Wars Land, Minnie Mickeys Runaway Railway, and just everything, and see what else we can do. I've been to Galaxy's Edge with our daughter once before, but Rise of the Resistance, thank you for blowing your nose there, Mr. Taylor. But Rise of the Resistance wasn't open at that point, so it'll be the first time I've been on. I'm very excited about that. James has never been to Galaxy's Edge, so he's not massively huge Star Wars fan like me, but it'll be interesting to see what he thinks. So come with us as we journey to Batuu. Arrived at Hollywood Studios. It's 7:30 in the morning. The early entry starts at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'll flip you around in a minute so you can see the queues to get in.
All of them. We're all going Star Wars Land straight away.
I will, oops, drop your thing. I will use the floor. This is not the ride you want to go to. This is not the ride you're looking for. We're just in the queue line for Rise of the Resistance now. I am beyond excited. Let us in through the turnstiles at 20 to 8. It's now 10 to 8. There's a posted wait time of 25 minutes, but we're still moving, so I'm so excited. Mr. Taylor! Oh, we're just stopping now. Is the definite stark distinction between the Rebellion scenery and the Empire's scenery. The Rebellion is beat up, it's old, nothing looks well cared for, clean, it's all dirty. And you come onto the Empire, everything is clean lines and shiny and just completely different, isn't it?
Just done Rise of the Resistance, and yeah, I have a feeling that Mrs. T found that very, very, very good on there. Like I say, Sarah had absolutely no idea what was going on, because she's kept away from any clips, anything about Rise of the Resistance ever since it's opened. So that was completely new to Sarah. How's 10? 2000. Everything about it, the pre-shows, etc., and the ride itself, just awesome. So if you are fortunate enough to be able to get here and be able to do it, obviously come and do Rise to the Resistance. It's fantastic.
It's a 20-minute queue in the end.
20-minute queue in the end, which isn't bad at
To the first
all.
pre-show.
Yeah, to the first pre-show on there. So yeah, definitely recommend, and definitely would say come and have a go on this one. Right, we're off to somewhere a little bit more exploring. This is my first time in Star Wars land.
Mr. Taylor's about to try blue milk.
Blue milk. Nice.
It's nice. Is that what we get? It's nice.
I'll drink it. Tastes blue.
Tastes blue?
Tastes blue.
I didn't know blue had a taste.
You have some.
So you remember blue milk came from the absolute classic episode 4, A New Hope. Luke was drinking blue milk. We've just stopped for something to eat at Hollywood Scoops for breakfast. We've got the Mickey waffle platter, which is Mickey waffles and fruit and whipped cream, and it costs a bottle of water and a coffee. What did it cost you?
$27.
$27.
These were $9.49 each.
So we've just come off Tower of Terror, which was a 13-minute wait. Now if anything has 13-minute wait that's Tower of Terror or Haunted Mansion, that's basically code for walk-on. And it was walk-on.
Yeah.
Unfortunately it was not walk-off. The ride broke down just as we finished the ride, which is great, because at least we got to ride the ride, and we waited about 5 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't that long at all, was
5
it?
minutes to get off the ride, and the cast members were waiting as the lift door opens and gave everybody in all the lifts that we could see a redemption fast pass, as Goofy coming out, a redemption fast pass to use throughout the day. We're just walking back down Sunset Boulevard. We are going back towards Batuu, Galaxy's Edge, or Star Wars Land.
Star Wars land.
Depending on what your preference is. And we're going to go on Rise of the Resistance again, just because once is never enough. And then maybe we will try and use our free redemption experience, maybe on Toy Story Mania or something like that. So for now, just enjoy the scenery of Sunset Boulevard. We've just done Rise of the Resistance for the second time, so loads more detail this time. Still brilliant. I don't know, is Don Gleeson the only actor to be in both Disney and Universal? Let me know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe there's another actor who's in both parts, I don't know. I mean actual physical, not voice acting.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. Give us the extra knowledge that we seek. Is that a Star Wars phrase? Probably not. No. May the Force be with you.
And also with you.
At Star Wars Land.
Who's going to win?
Me.
No. Just no.
Is that because you know what to do?
No. So I'm going to win.
We'll see.
We'll see. What does the winner get?
A drink.
Okay.
I'm thirsty.
Okay. Just off Toy Story Mania. Who was the winner, Mr. Taylor?
Well, technically you were.
Technically I was.
But obviously there was something wrong with my gun.
No, I've just bet it. I'm
and then my accuracy was way better.
No, it wasn't way better.
was.
It was a tiny bit better.
Therefore, way
I
better.
won. Therefore, James has to now go and buy me a drink.
Which luckily, it's on the Magic Band, so we always just buy the same drinks anyway.
Scandal. Mr. T, can you remember when this Toy Story Mania was the go-to ride?
Well,
And everybody used to run to this one.
and now they run to Rise.
Or they run to Slinky Dog.
Yes.
And now
Well,
this
Slinky's old now.
one's just like the sad old toy that nobody plays.
Oh, poor Toy Story
Poor
Mania.
Toy Story Mania. Just been in the building behind us to do Minnie Mickeys Runaway Railway. This was another one that neither of us have done. It wasn't open last time we came in 2019, so again we've avoided watching as much as we can about it. What did you think, Jim?
I liked it. Another trackless system, and it was really good.
Yep, both liked it. I mean, I like the Great Movie Ride. I miss the Great Movie Ride, but I like that one.
Yeah, it was good. That was so,
The only
wasn't it?
thing being is, what is Goofy on? What have they done to Goofy? You would not trust your child with Goofy.
Poor
He looks
Goofy.
like he's got a drug addiction, hasn't slept for about 3 years, and God knows what else. But anyway, apart from that, we liked it. At the Prime Time Cafe in Hollywood Studios. This is a kind of your eating at mom's table, and your cousins are your servers, and they tell you to keep your elbows off the table and eat your vegetables and things like that. It's just fun. So. Finished our lunch at the 50s Prime Time Cafe. We had Mom's sampler platter, which is
Chicken.
buttermilk chicken.
Yeah, buttermilk
Chicken and
Beef.
meatloaf and pot roast and mash and green beans.
Yeah, $27 each. So quite expensive, but nice.
And nice to get in out in the sun.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we didn't have much interaction with the server today, did
Yeah,
we?
it was very pleasant and whatever,
Yeah.
but I suppose depends on what they how they're feeling as well. There were more interaction with the larger groups, but it was very pleasant. He kept it very attentive, kept us stocked up with water and whatever, didn't he? So it
Yeah.
wasn't a problem.
But we did get stickers.
Yeah.
Because here we are now in the clean plate club, because we had everything on our plates because we are good children.
I could eat it again actually right now because I'm still hungry.
So anyway, it's really warm now, so we're going to go out of the park for a bit and just have a chill, maybe go to the pool, maybe look on the skyliner. I don't know.
I might do that.
Anyway, see you later.
Bye.
And we go. Well, that was a bit faster than I was expecting.
Wasn't it?
It's a bit speedy.
That's cool of you actually.
It's nice to have a nice little breeze.
Oh.
I'll be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of cable cars.
Why is that?
Because they scare me. Because I don't like being up high and being stuck and blowing about.
Well, we're not too high on this one, though, are we?
No.
Not yet.
No.
Empty car parks or parking lots.
Yeah. And because we used to go to all towers by all the kids when they were little, everybody's kids, they knew I didn't like them, so they used to sit and rock them, which was not nice.
Yeah.
So that's why I don't like them. But I'm giving it a whirl. Anyway, we're on our way to Caribbean Beach from Hollywood Studios, and then we'll make our way back again to get bus. So we actually decided to not get off at Caribbean Beach Resort and to go to the Art of Animation Resort on the Skyliner instead, because we haven't stayed there before and we just fancied a little nosy round. So the Art of Animation is themed after several different films, Finding Nemo, Cars, The Lion King and The Little Mermaid. As I say, it is on the Skyliner transportation system, so that makes it very convenient to going to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Art of Animation has also got some family suites, and I think it's one of the only properties, apart from DVC Villas, that sleep up to parties of 6. And also, apparently, it's the largest resort pool in the Walt Disney World Resort. Although I'm not sure if Beach Club has a bigger pool, but anyway. We had a look round and it was a really nice resort, really well themed. The buildings, obviously we didn't go inside any of the rooms, but the buildings looked really well themed, really bright, really colourful. The lobby was amazing. The restaurants or the food court looked really good. The shop looked really, really good. It's somewhere that I think we'd be quite happy to stay. I'm just going to speak over her because she never shuts up. Our little skyliner tour to Art of Animation and Pop Century, and we just had a little stop off to have a little look round Art of Animation.
Very nice.
Because we haven't been there before, so we thought we'd do just a little mooch. What did you think, Mr. T?
Liked it. No, well, looks like a nice resort. We haven't stopped there, have we? So
no.
Went into the Hall of Animation, I think that's what it's called. Animation Hall, or something like that. Anyway, full of knowledge I am, and it was massive inside, nice and bright and breezy, as in aircon.
Easy breezy, beautiful cool girl.
Yeah, something like that.
Not advertising.
Because I'm worth it.
That's Maybelline. Not advertising for Maybelline either.
Unless you want us to.
Unless you want us to, in which case that's fine.
Anything you can do with these lines, you know.
Maybelline lipstick. Just saying.
Yes, so looks a nice result.
Really well themed.
Yeah, theme was great. We just had a quick look around the Cars area, didn't we?
Cars and the Finding Nemo one.
Yeah, and that was good.
In just a few moments,
Hold on,
we will
again.
be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey, and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner.
There we go. Yeah, so because we're DVC members, we could stay there. We used to have lots of points, but it's not one that we've ever stayed at yet, is it?
No.
No one that we like to, but it looks really nice.
Pools look nice. There's no slide, but there's like a little splash park for kids. And there's there might be more than 2 pools, I don't know, but we saw at least 2 pools. And the Cars one, with the Cozy Cone Motel, they used dead cute little traffic cones and like little cabanas. Really cute.
All in use, surprisingly.
Yes, surprisingly. So we're all sweaty now, and as you can tell from me sweat beard, we're going to go back to the hotel, aren't we?
Yes.
Have a little nap.
It's recording, it's the iTunes video. So we're
That was a quick shift in your glasses.
It was.
Are you embarrassed about glasses, Mr. Taylor?
Well, I've got one contact lens in and a set of glasses on, so so I don't know what I'm actually viewing at the moment. Old aging. Let's go with aging, not old. Anyway, Magic Kingdom tonight. Kingdom. Yeah, right, Magic Kingdom tonight. And so far we're doing also famous people spotting. And when I say famous, I mean, people reality TV, YouTubers, and so far we've seen 2. First one was a guy called Kyle from Geordie Shore
And the challenge.
and the challenge, and managed to grab a photo with him. And we think we've seen.
We don't think we know.
Oh no, we know we've also seen, who is it? Night Strider? Night Strider. So he does a good Disney channel, and they go to obviously other places as well. So I could say 2 out of 2 at the moment and pretend they were the 2 that we wanted to see. But I am on the track for Molly. Molly from Mammoth Club. Mammoth Club now. If I see Molly from Mammoth Club, I'm going to jump up and down and probably scare her. Anyway, Magic Kingdom, it's extra magic access, early doors, access, extra hours.
You're getting that completely wrong. It's not extra magic hours now.
Oh, no.
It's normal park hours now, and tonight is extra magic hours starting at 11 o'clock until 1 o'clock in the morning.
11 till 1 in the morning.
But before that, we've booked a fireworks dessert card.
Which hopefully we'll see the fireworks, because it's raining and it's forecast lightning, and we all know how a bit iffy everywhere gets when it goes rainy and lightning.
And yes, fireworks dessert parties are really expensive, and I appreciate it's a bit of a luxury, but I haven't seen the new fireworks yet, and I don't want to watch them in a big crowd and have to shove people through. So just for this one time, we can watch them in relative peace and quiet.
And have cake.
And have cake, which is
Cake.
vital, obviously.
Yeah, that's definitely vital. See you soon.
Shooting game, another Toy Story shooting game. Who's going to win this one?
Me again.
I say no, again. It will be me. I will win. I will be victorious. In the end.
What does the winner get this time?
Winner doesn't buy dinner.
Alright, I was going to say winner can have a cake because we're going to the dessert party.
Maybe I won't.
That's time.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
That's Mr. Taylor.
Hello.
The dessert party.
Yeah.
It's help yourself buffet dessert and alcohol in wine and
Beer.
beers. So we've got a Blue Moon.
That's a blue moon, yes. Yeah.
And then
Actually a whitetail apparently.
Whitetail, sorry. And then Mr. Taylor's got snickerdoodle cookie pie.
Yeah. Cheese, cookies and cream cheesecake, chocolate cake, vanilla cake, and some squished something that you put on the plate.
I think it was a chocolate silk pie at one point.
There you go.
And I've got Firehouse Donuts with ricotta filling, Devil's Food pudding, same things as Jay, and cheese and crackers. So just eaten our first puddings, and it has to be said they look nice, but they are all incredibly sweet. Now I love cake, James loves cake, and we both struggled to finish even the little selection that we had. They are incredibly sweet, and you would be hard pushed to eat even one full plate. There's no way you could get your money back on eating just cake alone. You just absolutely couldn't. Maybe you could get it back on drinking as much booze as you can. That's a possibility. But cake-wise, they are nice. just very, very sweet. So I sent James off to go and get some more cheese and crackers because they are nice, and have some healthy fruit.
So we are at the fireworks dessert party at Tomorrowland Terrace, and just thought we'll come show you the alcoholic drinks that are available as part of the tickets. So let's just swap camera. So as part of obviously the ticket that you buy for the fireworks dessert party, you can have alcoholic drinks as well. So you can have Chardonnay, red blends, Zolo's signature red blend there, Asti, Lady of Spain, you have a Bud Light Lager, and a Blue Moon Belgian White Ale. And the way that they do this is to just bring out all the glasses just so that you can walk up. All you have to do is walk up to the bar and pick what you would like. And obviously you do need to be 21 or above on this in the USA, so you have to prove, if you don't look 21, that you are with ID, and then you are given a wristband. And
after you've drank your own body weight in booze and eaten yourself sick on desserts, if you follow the red line on this map, you are escorted by a cast member to the hub grass. Now, that's the hub grass in front of the castle on the right-hand side as you're looking at the castle. It's a private taped-off area. This is the view that we had. You can get in and out as many times as you like. You just have to show your wristband. This area is just behind the disabled section. It's not a bad view of the castle, as you can see. It's not the best view. To get that, you'd have to be slap bang in front of the centre of the castle and stake your spot out a couple of hours in advance. But this is a decent area. It never gets overly busy. There's always space to move about. As you can see how busy it is out on the rest of Main Street there. But you can sit down on the grass there. You can see how many people are there. It's not that many. You have plenty of room. If your kids want to run about, they can run about. If you want to sit down, you can sit down. And the cast members just ask that you stand up just before fireworks actually begin. So for me, who likes a bit of space and doesn't like to be congested, this is ideal. Hello, Jimbo.
hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Yes, feeling quite full after the desserts.
Yep, so we're on the hub grass, aren't we?
We are. Quite full today.
23, it's not 23, it's 29.
29.
Fireworks starts at 9.
In just 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Anyway, it's quite busy on the hub grass today, but it's still less busy than out on the street.
That it all started with a dream. But you want to know what makes this place really special? It's you!
feels like in extra magic hours. This is 2 hours extra park opening time for deluxe resort guests, and so nice. There is so much space. Just literally nobody in comparison to the daytime crowds. Rides to walk on. So yeah.
Oh, there you go.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.